Watch your motherfucking mouth around here, nigga.
This nigga ain't got the YouTube.
Watch your motherfucking mouth. Say daddy, nigga. Say daddy.
Oh, nigga, like yo, nigga. Let me see that, man.
No,
That's
nigga.
fine, nigga.
You motherfucker.
That's gas, CO2.
Yeah.
That's nice,
Right there. He walking, he got that. He still need the shit walk. Disappointed walk. Cause this nigga here was in the bathroom for over 20-30 minutes.
fucking right.
20-30 minutes after he get up out the bathroom. You know what he do? Break the damn toilet. Dude in there mad as hell. It was a line waiting to get in there. A line to get into the bathroom. He's sitting in that motherfucker like he on this personal toilet. You know, changing his whole motherfucking tampon and everything on that motherfucker. I mean, he was in there. I'm like, damn, what the fuck? So old boy was mad as hell, and he still got his shit. He pissed off with the Navajo trucking or whatever. He mad, of course, because he still got his shit, and he done broke the people toilet. Outstanding. We got the mail truck on the back. We got the mail truck on the back. We driving the mail truck. We hooked it up. We running it. I did that. See what I'm saying on the side of the truck right there? It say Jaybird. It say Jaybird. That's how we do it. That's how we get down. Oh, yeah. Get it together, Jaybird. Undertaker, nigga. You're the Undertaker. I did that. Jaybird did that. You see that man, Taylor? You see that man, Taylor? Jaybird did that. He's the only take it away. Move around, nigga. Move around. Good God, y'all.
We out here motherfucking truck driving, nigga. I'm around 15 goddamn cup of coffee. I done counted 6 million motherfucking white lines in the highway, nigga. What you gonna do when a house runs wild on you, motherfucker? 2, 3. What is it good for?